يلا بنوثق الكامبينج تريب. ووو شو زعيم؟
اهلا، يلا جاهزين؟
الله شيل. And this is our campsite in the Pinery. The whole family worked together as a team to put up the tents and inflate the mattresses. Oh, what's going on, buddy?
كيف الشغل عندك؟ ما شاء الله ما شاء الله.
After flipping the burgers, I took the drone out to take some shots. And after lunch, we had to get active, so we decided to go to the beach. Nice and freezing cold! On the next day, it ended up raining on us. Got up. تفضلوا على الشاي. And then it was time for breakfast. Oh yeah, fried eggs. And then we made some soup to keep us warm. In the Pinery, you can enjoy biking between the trees. They have amazing trails. You're just surrounded by nature. Here you can enjoy canoeing or fishing. And this was the end of our camping trip. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, guys.